It's been a long time we've been together. I miss you so much. I miss the things that we have. With Alex, with Jake, with Kim. All of the things that we have. Crazy things that we did, remember? May, things weren't the same when you're gone. We weren't the same people as before. It's like there's something missing. And that's because of you, May. I miss you very much. I miss you very much.